In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a content calendar in Airtable. We're going to keep this simple and practical by using one of Airtable's built-in templates, which is a great option if you want to get started quickly without building everything from scratch. A content calendar helps you organize ideas, plan publish dates, and keep your workflow visible in one place, so using a ready-made setup can save a lot of time. To begin, open Airtable in your browser and go to the main workspace area. This is where you can access bases, tools, and pre-built resources. If you're new to Airtable, don't worry. The platform is designed to be visual and easy to navigate, so once you're in the workspace, the rest of the process is very straightforward. Next, look for the section labeled Templates and Apps, and click on it. This area contains a library of pre-made workflows and systems that you can use as a starting point. Instead of manually creating every field, view, and structure yourself, templates give you a faster way to launch with something already organized. Once the template library opens, go to the search bar and type in Content Calendar. If you notice a typo while searching, just correct it and continue. The goal here is to find a template specifically designed for content planning, so you can start with a layout that already matches the kind of work you want to do. Searching is the fastest way to narrow down the options and avoid browsing through unrelated templates. After the results appear, select a template that fits your needs. Take a moment to review the options if more than one appears. Some templates may be more focused on editorial planning, while others might be geared towards social media scheduling or broader campaign management. Choose the one that looks closest to the workflow you want, because that will reduce the amount of editing you need to do later. Once you've chosen your template, click Try Template. This will open the template and allow you to start using it inside your Airtable workspace. At this point, your content calendar structure is essentially in place, and you can begin exploring the fields, views, and layout that came with it. A helpful tip here is to spend a minute reviewing how the template is organized before making changes. That way, you'll understand what each section is meant for and can adapt it more confidently to your own process. And that's how to build a content calendar in Airtable using a template. It's a fast, beginner-friendly way to set up an organized planning system and start managing your content more efficiently.